everyone! Welcome to our channel. Thank you for visiting and please don't forget to subscribe. Just click the button below at this video. Today we're gonna make a beef broccoli recipe. These are the ingredients. Let's start off. First, slice the beef and put it in a small bowl, but not too small. We're gonna mix pepper and salt. Then slice onion and chop garlic into minced garlic, and make a small amount of starch powder. Melt it with the water. Now let's boil the broccoli. Add a bit small of salt into the water and boil this in about 2 to 3 minutes. After boiling, rinse and drain the water and set aside first. Now let's saute the garlic in a hot pan. Add a small amount of cooking oil, quick stir, and add the onion. Now let's add the 200 gram of beef. And add a 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Any cooking wine will be fine. And add a 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And give it a nice stir. Add a half glass of water and stir. Now let's add a 2 tablespoons of the starch powder to make a bit of thicken the sauce. Now it's ready to add the broccoli. And now it's ready to place it into the plate. And now it's done. Let's eat! Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just click the button below. Thank you and have a great day.